Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming back for a new video. Today I'm doing a very simple blowout. I'm just using two colors, Paynes gray and white. I'm going to just kind of create some wave patterns with the blow dryer, kind of get some ocean wave kind of arcs to them and keeping some negative space. All right, get down on the canvas, get started, be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 24 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. And today I'm just doing a minimalistic blowout. Going to create some petals around this edge, leaving negative space up here. And I'm only using two colors. I'm using my creative inspirations in my Paynes gray, which is that lovely deep blue. And I'm going to use white. Only two colors today. All right, so the key to these types of pours is not pouring too much paint because I don't want to keep blowing and blowing and blowing paint off. And that's where I tend to screw up with this sometimes. So I'm gonna try to lay out and be conservative with how much paint I put out on the canvas. So I know I'm gonna pour some through here. This. Here. And use white in here. Thing is you gotta make sure you've got enough to blow over the sides and still get some of that coverage over, but also still have a maintaining of the colors going through the painting. All right, so let's see what this looks like. give this a torch. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. So it's wet. I'm leaving for work, so I will show you the dried results in the next video, but it's really looking good. You did see the dried results, so the painting hasn't moved any, so the colors are staying where they're supposed to. So once I get back from work, I'll show you the dried results. Everyone have a great rest of your weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.